Batesville is a 168-year-old town known for making hospital beds. COVID-19 has hit it harder than many small towns. Now its largest employer is adding 200 new jobs as the healthcare industry scrambles to keep up with the shortage of intensive care units needed to fight this pandemic. Investigative reporter Dan Monk takes a look at how Batesville copes with the crisis.
This intersection at the corner of Main and George Streets is usually a pretty happening place here in Batesville. But government shutdown orders because of coronavirus has left many of the businesses here empty. There is one part of town that's still happening. That's where they make the hospital beds.
Yeah, we're all proud.
MedMiser CEO Ted Ticolvi has tripled production to send new hospital beds all over the country.
The West Coast, the Southeast, just recently a little bit of the Northeast, but that is come and gone.
Ticolvi is adding more than 15 jobs and expects employment to peak at 60. He even outsourced some of his production to his next-door neighbor, Wood-Mizer. It normally makes sawmills.
It's ever-changing. It's never a dull moment around here. Luckily, we all get along still.
Batesville's biggest hospital bed maker is also expanding. The 200 new jobs at Hill-Rom will bring total employment to 1,900.
We have something that we can be happy about, something that we can feel good about, that we all have a chance to do our part.
Batesville Mayor Mike Bettis can use the good news. 3 counties surrounding his town have some of the highest infection rates in the nation, according to Johns Hopkins University. Bettis already has lost a close friend to COVID-19.
We may never know what happened or how it got to be this way. We seem to have gotten it early and got passed around before we really had a chance to get social distancing to be going and to be effective here.
The booming hospital bed sector is also a comfort to Batesville Economic Development Director Sarah Lamping. She appreciates that Hill-Rom is recommitting itself to Batesville 5 years after it relocated its corporate headquarters to Illinois.
When they first moved their headquarters to Chicago, it was, what does that mean? What does that mean to us as a community? But in time, we have found that they're a strong community partner, and we are blessed to have them in our town.
But will it last when things get back to normal?
I don't know what normal is. You ask a fine question.
Ticolvi is optimistic that he'll see lasting growth from the experience.
Without a doubt, we've created and forged a lot of new relationships that we're really proud of.
Dan Monk, WCPO 9 News.